Welcome back to Clockwise Crypto, where we help you move forward towards financial freedom with crypto assets. In today's video, we're just going to be diving into the market, but stay tuned to hear about our free Ethereum giveaway that's happening on Friday. You do not want to miss it. Stay tuned to the end of the video. Like, subscribe, and comment to be eligible. Just looking at the market here, looking at Bitcoin at 43.7, everything's pulling back except Ethereum. Ethereum seems to be holding strong for the most part. But everything for the most seems to be pulling back. XRP at 78 cents, Cardano at $1.10. Praying Cardano holds above $1 and does not drop beneath $1 again. That'd be nice to see. Looking at Bitcoin here, it seems like we are pulling back. The EMAs are crossing. Looks like heading to 41,600. It looks like we're heading there. Pay close attention to that. That is something that we definitely want to pay close attention to. Taking a look at what we are doing here on the higher time frames. Bitcoin conference is happening right now, and like predicted, it seems like every year during the Bitcoin conference, I don't know what happens, but it seems like we pull back every year during Bitcoin conference. It seems like that should be the time we go up, but it seems like we always pull back. So I don't know what's going on, but looks like we're pulling back to 61 based on 41,613. Looks like that's where we're pulling back, but I'm not sure why that happens every year, but it happens. But we will continue to monitor that and see what's going on here. Scrolling down here, looking at everything, nothing too exciting going on in the markets. I would be wasting your time if I said otherwise. But just off of pure technicals, we can break down what's going on and what some ideas we have when it comes to Bitcoin. Now, looking at Bitcoin, we did make a new high, and you see right here we made a new high. We did clear a new high, broke above, pulled back. That is something that we did do, and that kind of was an indicator for me that we're in a change of trend, because even on the weekly time frame, we pulled back and we found support, which was at this level here. Multiple rejections here at this level of support down here, but we broke above, and for me it was an indication that we're in a bullet. We have bullish momentum, but it seems like we are doing another pullback, which is okay. It's healthy, for Bitcoin to shoot straight up and just go to the moon and never pull back. That's kind of what scams do. Scam projects, they'll pump up crazy and then they'll just crash down as fast as they shot up. So the fact that we're seeing movement and almost like a rubber band, exploding up but pulling back but then exploding up again, that's a healthy market. That's an indication of a healthy market. So I'm okay with that. So looking at Bitcoin, we are pulling back here. Like I said, looking at and just pure Fibonacci's, pulling this up to the top here, from swing low to swing high, pulling back here. We can see that anywhere from around 41,000 is where we're looking at to pull back, and I'm okay with that as long as we do not break 37. Honestly, as long as we don't break anywhere under 37, I would say 37. We cannot break below 37. People might freak out and there might be blood on the streets at 41. But if it goes under 40, the fear is going to be crazy. People are going to freak out. We look at the crypto fear greed index. People are going to lose their minds if Bitcoin goes under 40. So that's going to be another opportunity to take positions. But even this whole pullback here is something to pay attention to. We'll kind of draw a trend line here to kind of see what we're looking at, so you guys can see what we're looking at. You can go to the 4-hour time frame, make sure it's lined up. But this entire trend line is something to pay attention to. This will kind of be an indication of, are we done with this pullback? So this will kind of be our moving support. Our moving resistance, I should say, up top. Our moving resistance, this bottom will be support, and that's a key level right there. That's a key level, 37. So that's a key support right there. As we see multiple touches here on the bottom, we can actually pull this over so you guys can see. But we see multiple touches and it's been respected. But a pullback is okay, and just dragging that fib from that support, dragging it to that high point here. This is kind of where we can see potential retracements. 41.6 is what it's looking at like on the 61.8. Anywhere lower than that's okay. 100% retracement is okay, but I prefer not to deal with that. but ultimately, if you're with the end game in mind, just use it as an accumulation zone. Everyone's probably freaking out right now. I don't have the crypto fear greed indicator index up here, but we can just take a look at it real quick. Crypto fear greed fear. Of course it is. Of course people are freaking out because everything did seem bullish for a second. Bitcoin bounced up here, was going crazy. It was like, this is it. Even I was saying this is probably it. I thought so. We broke these lower high points right here. But this pullback, I'm okay. I'm okay with that. I am okay with that. I'm okay with that because it gives us more time to take positions with Bitcoin. So that's fine. It did, but looking at the crypto fear greed, the extreme fear last month, we're fear today. Of course, we're fearful today. Everything is there's no excitement. There's nothing going on in the markets. So I'm not going to waste your time with a long video. I just want to go over these Bitcoin technical analysis. Pay attention for Friday. We are having our Ethereum giveaway, giving away something of value, something that has withstood the test of time, something that will be around long term. Please stay tuned for that. To be eligible, like, comment, and subscribe. You must comment your favorite cryptocurrency on every video this week to be eligible for that giveaway. It's happening Friday at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Stay tuned. We'll see you tomorrow in the next video. And we want to be a part of this journey of you moving forward towards financial freedom with crypto assets. We'll see you next time.